On behalf of the Berlin Institute for Toilettenwissenschaften, I would like to thank RiffRaff Kabarett for allowing me to present our latest findings concerning the nature and number of genders. The gendering of toilets has proven controversial and even challenging. One might think that toilets and genders are a very complicated and intricate matter. I will try to convince you they are not. Arguably, if we were to judge this issue by deciding upon the gender of the user of any given toilet, we are facing a very unpleasant mess. Gender markers barely distinguishable, no clear layout of the facilities, asses all over tits. But if we flip the perspective, shift our focus away from the biological names, pronouns and sex of the user of the toilet, then it is obvious. The key to the correct gendering of the loos lay in the biology of the bowl itself. Only then can we determine with scientific accuracy the biological sex of any given toilet seat and cubicle. We are able to do so by following a rigorous transvestigation of urinals and recreational facilities, otherwise known as the turf method. In search of truth, I turned to the place I would most likely find it. Instagram polls. Participants of the study were presented with images of toilets selected from reference databases available on Facebook pages such as Toilets with Flattering Auras, Important Images, and Reuters. They were tasked with transvestigating those toilets by selecting which gender they believe the toilets featured. Either biologically male, biologically female, or biologically something else entirely. This case yielded the earliest intuitions as to the integrative nature of the relationship between toilet bowls and genders. It was determined to be 50% female and 50% high heels emoji. It very clearly presents as biologically female on high heels. This phenomenon, featuring seating for an audience facing the water closet, has been decided a biological mansplain. This green layered loo is very obviously a biological brat. Now this is beyond any doubt the biological male gaze. This one, on the other hand, puzzled the team. A round picnic table, circled by toilet seats, did not appear either prominently male or female. But this is only a mystery if we assume that gender is a binary. If we do not, we can clearly see these loos for biological tea time. A couple of bowls facing each other, mounted on toe tiles, sharing a handle, a bin, and only one available loo roll, showcases another type of biological moment of truth of a more confrontational nature and has been decided a biological staring contest. This toilet seat fixed high up on a white tiled wall, clearly designed for inaccessibility despite a couple of handles on each side of it, very straightforwardly presents as a biological gym bro. Now, would you like to try and transvestigate this next loop? Are you happy to participate in the study? Very well, thank you very much. Now, this is a tin cubicle that appears to be falling into a flooding river and landslide. According to which gender you believe it features, please make some kind of noise and I will pick it up with this gender meter. Do you believe it is biologically male? Okay, thank you. Do you believe it is biologically female? Do you believe it is biologically shaky emoji? Thank you very much. Let us give it some time to compute. According to the gender meter, this loop reads more like 45% biologically male, about 5% biologically female, and another 50 biologically shaky emoji. It's a rough estimate. This loo clearly reads as biological fragile masculinity. Thank you very much. On to some concluding remarks. I came to the conclusion that there exists an indefinite and discrete set of gendered description of unique and singular loos. Propositional analysis of this conclusion yields the following conjecture. The number of existing gender is a natural, non-woke number, strictly equal to the number of existing loos. Thank you very much.